Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if we are alone in the universe? This question has sparked the curiosity of humankind for centuries, leading to the exploration of the cosmos and the quest for extraterrestrial life. And why not? The universe is a vast expanse of galaxies, stars, planets, and possibly life. It's an unimaginable scale that makes the probability of life beyond Earth not just a possibility, but a likelihood. Imagine, if you will, civilizations thriving in distant galaxies, creatures of all sorts exploring the cosmos, just as we are. The idea is thrilling, isn't it? But it's not just science fiction. It's a real scientific pursuit. From the earliest civilizations who studied the stars, to modern-day scientists who send rovers to Mars and telescopes into deep space, this quest to find extraterrestrial life has driven us to look beyond our own planet. Our journey to contact the unknown began centuries ago. As humans, we've always been intrigued by the idea of life beyond Earth. This curiosity spurred a series of early attempts to reach out to possible extraterrestrial beings. Among these ventures, one of the most notable was the establishment of large radio telescopes. These colossal structures, towering above the ground, were designed to listen to the heavens. Scientists hoped that these instruments would catch signals or wave patterns that could indicate the presence of intelligent life forms from distant galaxies. These telescopes, like the famous one in Arecibo, Puerto Rico, served as humanity's giant ears, straining to hear whispers from the cosmos. Meanwhile, we didn't just sit back and listen, we also sent out messages, hoping they'd be picked up by someone or something out there. A prime example of this is the Pioneer plaques. These gold-anodized aluminum plaques were placed on board the Pioneer 10 and 11 spacecrafts in the early 70s. They bore images and symbols depicting humans and our place in the solar system, a sort of cosmic hello from Earth. Despite their simplicity, these plaques were a profound statement of our existence and our eagerness to connect with the universe. They were, in essence, bottles tossed into the cosmic sea, carrying messages from a species yearning to know if we are alone. And let's not forget the Voyager Golden Records, which carried sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. This was our attempt to create a time capsule, a glimpse of our world for any extraterrestrial life that might find them. These early efforts, albeit primitive compared to today's standards, laid the groundwork for our ongoing search for extraterrestrial intelligence. They were the first steps in a journey that continues to this day, a journey driven by our insatiable curiosity and our enduring hope that we might one day find life among the stars. With the advancement of technology, our methods to reach out have also evolved. Today, the search for extraterrestrial life is no longer confined to the limits of our eyesight or the capacity of our earliest instruments. We're harnessing the power of state-of-the-art technology to venture further into the cosmos than ever before, employing methods that would have been unthinkable just a few decades ago. One of these methods is the use of advanced radio signals. Instead of simply scanning the skies and hoping for a response, we're now capable of sending out powerful, directed signals. These signals, carrying information about our existence and our civilization, are aimed at specific regions of space where we believe life could potentially exist. These are like our cosmic hello, a greeting card from Earth to the universe. Next, we have space probes. These are not just your average satellites. These are sophisticated pieces of machinery designed to travel vast distances, reach far-off planets, moons, and asteroids, and send back valuable data. They can collect samples, take high-resolution images, and perform a variety of scientific experiments. Probes like Voyager, Pioneer, and New Horizons have already given us invaluable insights into the outer reaches of our solar system and beyond. And then there's the search for exoplanets. These are planets outside our solar system that orbit around other stars. With the help of space telescopes like Kepler and TESS, we're constantly discovering new exoplanets, many of them in the habitable zone, where conditions might just be right for life as we know it. The discovery of these exoplanets opens up a whole new realm of possibilities in our search for extraterrestrial life. Each of these methods offers a unique perspective, a different piece of the puzzle. They give us the tools to not only search for life elsewhere, but also to understand our place in the universe better. As technology advances, so too does our ability to reach farther into the cosmos. The recent years have brought some exciting discoveries. We've seen a surge in breakthroughs that have the potential to reshape our understanding of life beyond our planet. First off, let's talk about Mars. Yes, the red planet. Scientists, using the latest technology, have found signs of what might be microbial life. In the Gale crater, once a lake billions of years ago, they've detected organic molecules, the building blocks of life as we know it, and not just any molecules, but complex ones that could possibly be linked to biological processes. While we can't jump to conclusions, this opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. Could Mars have once harbored life? Or better yet, could it still? Next up, we have the discovery of exoplanets residing in what's known as the habitable zone. These are planets orbiting stars at just the right distance where conditions might be suitable for liquid water, a key ingredient for life. One such planet, dubbed Kepler 186f, is especially intriguing. It's roughly the size of Earth and sits in the habitable zone of its star. This could mean that life, as we understand it, might exist there. Finally, we have the mysterious radio signals from deep space, known as fast radio bursts or FRBs. These are quick, intense flashes of radio waves that we've been detecting from billions of light years away. Their origins are still unknown, and some speculate they could be signals from advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. While this is still purely hypothetical, it's a fascinating thought that keeps the scientific community on its toes. These findings have brought us closer than ever to answering the age-old question, are we alone? The universe is a vast, complex place, and the more we discover, the more we realize just how much there is still left to uncover. So, buckle up, fellow cosmic explorers, the search for extraterrestrial life is far from over. While we have yet to make definitive contact, the search is far from over. As we cast our gaze into the future, it's clear that the search for extraterrestrial life is not slowing down. It's accelerating. We are on the verge of a new era, where our space explorations are becoming more sophisticated and more frequent. In the coming years, we can expect to see an array of awe-inspiring missions. NASA's Artemis program is planning to return humans to the moon, this time to stay and explore, with the ultimate goal of using it as a stepping stone to Mars. The European Space Agency, too, is gearing up for its ExoMars mission, designed to search for signs of life on the red planet. But it's not just about governmental space agencies. Private companies are also playing a significant role in the quest for extraterrestrial life. SpaceX, for instance, has its ambitious Starship project, aiming to make life multiplanetary, starting with Mars. These private ventures are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, driving innovation and opening up space exploration to a wider audience. The advancements in technology are equally fascinating. We are witnessing the development of new tools and techniques that will allow us to probe deeper into space than ever before. From more powerful telescopes that can peer into the furthest reaches of the universe, to sophisticated algorithms that can sift through vast amounts of data in search of potential signals from alien civilizations. It's a thrilling time to be alive, as we stand on the precipice of potentially groundbreaking discoveries. We may not have found definitive proof of extraterrestrial life yet, but the signs are promising and the search continues unabated. We are driven by our innate curiosity, our desire to know if we are alone in the universe. With each passing day, we inch closer to potentially discovering our cosmic neighbors. The question of extraterrestrial life is one that may not have a definitive answer yet, but the journey to find that answer is a fascinating one. Throughout this video, we've traversed the cosmos, exploring the possibility of life beyond our planet. We looked back at early attempts to reach out to the stars, making use of our primitive technologies. We delved into modern methods, harnessing the power of advanced technologies and scientific theories. We then examined the latest findings, discoveries that hint at the tantalizing possibility of life elsewhere in the universe. We also dared to imagine the future of this search, a future filled with untold possibilities and exciting breakthroughs. Every step we take brings us closer to answering the cosmic question, are we alone? As we continue this journey, the mystery only deepens, fueling our curiosity and our unending quest for knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment with your thoughts on the possibility of extraterrestrial life.